Alright, so today I've got my 1 month update for my ultimate spray sealant / ceramic spray, where we applied 9 different car detailing products from top of the shelf detailing brands. Surprisingly, only one brand survived a full month of daily driven real world tests, so I'm sure you guys are dying to know who is the winner of my ultimate test, so let's get into it. Okay, so before we get into the footage, let me give you a quick breakdown on how I did the test, why I did it this way. So before I got heavily into the ceramic coatings, the solvent-based ceramic coating, the glass bottle, right? In about 2016, I was just like you, trying to find out the longest lasting, the most durable spray sealant. But today, a lot of people have moved on from searching for the longest and most durable spray sealant. Instead, we are more looking for an ease of use product and a slick product. I'll give you 3 reasons to prove my point. First, most people now, most detailing enthusiasts, has learned and are using solvent-based ceramic coatings. The second reason is that today in the detailing world, the trend is to use a drying aid or a quick detailer, a ceramic spray after every wash. So it kind of defeats the purpose of a durable, full-blown spray sealant. And the third reason is that today, most people, myself included, we want something quick and easy, and that is really easy to use, that doesn't grab, and that is really slick on the touch. But nonetheless, just for fun, I decided this week to revisit the durability test in a real-world situation, just like I do in most of my videos. But I didn't want to test it like YouTubers used to do in the past on a test hood, spraying and throwing a bunch of chemicals on the panel to test out which one is gonna last the longest. In the end, it's just a chemical resistance test and doesn't really translate well in a real world situation on a real daily driver's car. Now, every single product of today's video are top of the line, a really good, high quality detailing product. So this video is not to bash anyone. I'm just doing this test for fun. As you guys will see, we only have one brand that survived a full month on a daily driven car. Now, the 9 products have been applied with their own respective microfiber towel. I applied it on my wife's car after a rinseless wash. No IPA, no polishing, no panel prep. I just applied the product as the average Joe would apply it on his car after a wash in a real world situation. If you want to, if this video does well and you guys are interested, we can prep a panel or two and compare and do a more in-depth test in the future. But for today's test, like I just said, I wanted to do a real world test in a real world situation, no prep, just apply the product and go on with your life. And we should have some result, but obviously I'm fully aware that is not the right way to get most out of the product. But regardless, those products should give us some result without any special preparation steps. So basically we apply those products like a quick wax after a wash, regardless of their purpose or preparation step or instruction. Just applied like a quick detailer or a quick wax. Okay, so Carpro elixir, really nice to apply, not the slickest product. So on the second half of the door, right here, we're gonna use the shinee wax. So if the panel is slowly sheeting, I would consider the product dead, and if it's flat, it's gonna be considered dead as well. So here, Carpro elixir on the left, and on the right, tax system shiny wax. Stay tuned because later in this video, I'll give you the strong points for each product, regardless of their durability. So for the hood, we're gonna have tax system on the right side, and on the left, Gyeon Cure. As you can see, Cure is slowly sheeting. Tax system is really flat here. Now for that rear door, we're gonna have bola graphene on the left side of the door, and on the right side of that same door, we're gonna have DIY ceramic gloss. Okay, the roof left, ceramic gloss. Okay, for the rooftop, we're gonna have Bola P17 towards myself, and at the end, on the other side, on the left side, we're gonna have DIY ceramic gloss. So P17 is doing really well, and ceramic gloss is slowly sheeting. Gyeon ceramic detailer on the rear fender slash bumper right here. One spray there, one spray there. Okay, so cure on this side. Then we have Extreme Solution topper on that same door. 3 spray there. 1 or 2 spray on the panel. By the way, guys, both front fenders are Bola products. So here we can notice that Bola P17 on that rear door is doing super nice. P17 here, and we'll put P17 slick just behind it. And 2 on the panel. So slickness. Hopefully you can see in the footage, Bola P17 on that rear door, on the front of that rear door, is doing extremely good compared to every other product on this test. Again, on the hood we had Gyeon Cure towards myself, and at the end of the panel we had taxi stamp shiny wax, very flat. That rear fender again is Bola P17 graphene. Really flat for the hood. Okay, my friends, so if you need any detailing supplies, go in the description. I'll have my links in there. You can use my code DOGMA. You can save some money. And thank you for supporting small channel just like this one. Now we're gonna do a last trip around the car, so pay attention. We're gonna have beading on the fenders and on the rear door on the right side. That's pretty much it, guys. So one door on the left side, on the driver's side, was still beading, and it's a Bola product. We have DIY ceramic gloss that is sheeting slightly better than the other, and we also have a Gyeon Cure on the hood that is slightly sheeting, and Gyeon ceramic detailer is pretty flat, but if you give it more time, it'll show up as a sheeter as well. Okay, so I promise you the strong points for each individual product. Really quick, no in-depth reviews, just my strong points and my opinion quickly on those products. Some of them I have not used all that much. Let me start by those two, Gyeon Cure. Nothing really to write home about. Easy to use, no streaking, but that's pretty much it. The durability was okay, slightly better than the others, other than the Bola products. But nothing to write home about. I guess it's a good topper, right? Okay, carpro elixir, again, nothing to write home about. I think it came out in 2019 or so, maybe slightly before that. It's a mix of carpro reload and carpro eco 2. A good product, easy to use, no streaking, not super slick, but regardless, it's a fine product. Next up, DIY detail in no particular order, by the way. DIY detail ceramic gloss. I like the smell. It has a nice watermelon scent, if I'm not mistaken. Really easy to use, no streaking. The beading is super good. So ceramic gloss, really nice as a wash, clay and wax. You use it as a lube, and as you clay and you wipe off your residue, you end up with a sealant on the paint, really slick and really pleased to use. No streaking, never seen this product streak. I really love this for this specific reason. Next up, Shiny Wax version 2. They improved the finish, meaning there's no streak anymore. The first version had a tendency to streak. So this one is really special gloss. If you have a black car or any other dark color, I would recommend that you try this out. The durability is okay. The strong point with this product is the gloss. It has a really special gloss to the eye. Next up, Gyeon ceramic detailer, probably the most pleasant smelling product. Again, really easy to use, really slick, one of the slickest product here. This is a really top of the shelf product. Be careful though, it has 400 ml, so if you compare a product you get for your money, the cost per use, this one, the regular size is 400 ml, so slightly under 13 ounces instead of the regular 16 ounce that you get, but the smell is incredible. Similar scent to the Gyeon Prep, easy to use, no streaking again, but you need 2 towels. And then a favorite of mine for a long time, as you can see, I've been through quite a bit of the gallon. Xtreme Solution Topper. In the end, it's the same thing as Obsessed Garage Drying Aid. It's in the same thing again as Adam's Slick and Slide. A top of the shelf product for the price. It's really hard to beat. Really slick, smells good, no streaking, and I've never seen the dye accumulating in the gaps like Matt said in his videos. I've never seen any pink on my car at any place. If you guys are looking for value, this is where it is. Okay, so if you guys are looking for the latest and greatest in the spray sealant category, the most durable spray sealant, I would go with the Bola solution. Those three are top of the shelf product in terms of durability. They don't have a really pleasant smell. They have more of a solvent smell. Okay, just to recap, the best scented product, Ceramic Detailer by Gyeon. The best gloss, Shiny Wax by Tax System version 2. The ease of use, I would go with ceramic gloss from DIY Detail. 10% with my code. Follow the link in the description. And the most durable product, the Bola solution, P17. Really strong stuff, guys. If you don't have a ceramic coating and you want the best, longest lasting ceramic spray, go with this one. And with that being said, guys, I hope you liked the video. I hope you like the results. In any case, be gentle on me, and if you guys are interested, let me know in the comments. We can prep the panels with a polish next time and compare the same products. And with that being said, guys, I'll see you in the next one.